boys, Chubby got back from over here and there's a massive storm out there. My coach here, look at it. Listen, there's a massive storm. Yeah guys, there's a massive storm. You hear that? Yeah. Holy. That is crazy, man. Whoa. Oh my god. What the hell is that chair doing? Bro, it just started instantly zooming rain. Also, we're living in like probably like 100-year-old house, bro. And this thing can stand thunder and rain and everything. That's crazy. Bro, listen to how bad it is in this room, bro. Wow. Guys, I know it's gonna be so loud out here. How do you open this? Oh my god, it's so loud, guys! Holy crap, bro, you can hear that. Bro, this house, how can this house handle that much storm, bro? That's crazy. What the hell is going on out there, bro? As if you came back to watch this, just go boy to make that storm chase like that. Yo, look how crazy this storm is. Bro, it was freaking raining heavily, guys. Well, no, it was raining heavily. So, yeah. Oh my god. I don't know why they fucking has a window there. Why don't they just put it up there on the top? It's so dark in there. Alright guys, we're gonna go outside. Seems like a badass idea, but I don't care. Alright, so how do you open this bar? Oh my god, this thing is complicated. Oh wait, I think I got it. Yes, I got it. Yeah guys, so it's a big storm. Alright guys, my camera's getting wet, so I need to go inside. Oh my god, bro, I have cracks in my camera and what would the water get in there? That would be not good, bro. Hey guys, if you just came back to watch this, this is your boy Big Cat. Look that thing up, bro. Then now the rain is coming down, guys. That was crazy, bro. Look at the leaking. Nah, that's crazy. This is my first video of catching a storm on holidays. Dang. My god, bro. That was crazy. Also guys, this roof was an extension and the roof isn't thick, so you can hear a lot of rain if it is heavy. Guys, that was the craziest storm that I ever had on holidays, bro. Like, oh my god. I saw we have an old-fashioned light switch. Look at that. The old-fashioned caca. No, never mind. So here's the lounge. Oh yeah, guys, I've got to tell you some of the rooms. So let's do this one. Yeah. Also, I have a TV, which is Samsung. And here's the bathroom. It's not even that scary, bro. People claim to say that they see demons in here, but I don't. Right. So here's the next room. Has a TV as well. Also a messy bed, bro. And she has a type of like charger thing. I don't know what to call this shit, but I don't call it. What the fuck? You know what? Never mind. That's not that good. There's the camera. There's the wardrobe thing, whatever it is. And there used to be a door here. Look, there used to be a door here, and then they ruined it by getting rid of the door. Guys, did you hear that thunder? I just heard it. Also, guys, I made some food, and so I'm gonna eat it right now. That's delicious, bro. Just had 2 little bites. Guys, that's almost crazy, bro. You just hit us like full on, bro. Oh my god, I just heard more gonna come. No, I ain't messing, bro. It's been said that there's a massive storm hitting us. Well, look at the big puddles. Look at the big puddle, bro. Right there. But I thought that tree was gonna fall on us, bro. I just thought from here, bro, it looked like it was gonna fall on us, and that scared the shit out of me. Also, there's a shoe up there. Oh no, I am sorry. No. I'm sorry, Mother Nature. Leave me alone. That's a sign that I need to get inside. Oh my god. Can you guys hear? That was crazy.
Alright, video is long enough. It's boring now. Turn it off. Later when it comes back.
Guys, this is part 1 of the massive storm, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.